welcome back to Tricky Word Day. Let's do our tricky words or our common exception words. Let's go. Door, floor, pour, because, kind, find, mind, behind, child, wild, children, climb, most, only, both, old, cold, gold, hold, told, every, great, break, stake, pretty, after, beautiful, fast, last, past, father, class, grass, pass, plant, path, bath, hour, move, prove, improve, sure, sugar, I, could, would, should, who, whole, any, many, clothes, busy, people, water, again, half, money, Mr., Mrs., parents, Christmas, everybody, even. Well done, everyone. You read them all. Great job, everyone. Right, let's go to our PowerPoint for today. Hello, everyone. Can you believe we've been at home for so long? I can't, Kathy. Shall we do some phonics? Yep, we'll do some phonics. It's Tricky Word Day. Yippee. Time for you to read some words. Okay, can you read that word, everyone? Brilliant, it's the word sugar. Did you spot the tricky part? What was it? Brilliant. In sugar, it is the sh at the beginning. It's actually written as a s or an S. There we go. You can see it there. Another tricky part of sugar, just to mention while we're here, is it's got AR at the end. So we say sugar, so the sound at the end is actually written as an A and an R. Normally we would write it an E and an R, okay? What word's this? Brilliant, it's the word I. What's the tricky part of this one? It's kind of a trick question. Yeah, it's the whole word. The whole word sounds like the trigraph I. Can you read this one? Brilliant, it's the word could. What's the tricky part in this one? Brilliant, it's the O and the U. That makes the O sound, k, O, d. And at the end, it's got an L and a D that makes a D sound as well, okay? So that bit's tricky. Let's have a look at the next one. Can you read that? Yeah, great job. It's the word should. What was the tricky part in that word? Great, it was the O and the U makes an O sound. And the L and the D in this word says D together. Right. Great reading. Can you find the common exception words hidden near other words? Right, I want you to have a go at reading this. Pause the video now to find all the words that we've looked at today. Great, you should have paused the video, guys. Let's move on and see if you were correct when you've found all the words. So it's could, sugar, I, and should. Well done if you found them all. Let's move on. Super, can you find and read the tricky words in these sentences? Okay, so what I want you to do is pause the video, read the sentences, see if you can find our tricky words for this week, our common exception words for this week. Pause the video now to read these. Great, you should have paused the video, everyone, because now we're going to have a look at them. The first sentence says, could he reach his target of 500 questions in a row? Is sugar good for you, or is it damaging to your health? Do you need good eyesight to be a pilot? Should we sweep up all the leaves on the path? What did you notice about all these sentences today? Great, they're all questions because they've got question marks at the end. They're asking something and they start with question sentence openers. So Did you manage to spot our tricky words? Let's have a look. The first one was could. The next one was sugar. The third one was I. And the final one was the word should. Well done. I knew you could do it. Now it's your turn. Do the worksheet and highlight the words mixed in with others. Then find and read the tricky words in the sentences. Okay, so this is what we normally do. If you haven't managed to print this out, you can just see if you can look for them yourselves on the screen. So pause the video now and have a go. Great job, everyone. So it's time for challenge 2 next. This is the end of challenge 1. I want you to pause, stop the video now, and then you will be able to do challenge 2 after you've had a little rest a little bit later on today. Well done.